Hi everyone. Welcome to GO-Cert YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification icon to keep you informed of any new videos. Let's get started. Navigate to shotcut.org and click on the Click to download. Two links are provided for download. The first one is for the Windows installer and the second one is for the portable version. You can support these guys by clicking on the donate button as well. Go ahead and install it on your computer. The user interface opens. Resize the windows as it suits you most. Let's get started with a new project and guide you through the basics. Select the New Project tab, name the project and select the video mode or leave it to auto and hit start. The next step is to drag and drop our files to the playlist in order to use them in our timeline. You can drag there your videos, photos, and sound files. For this tutorial, I have prepared some sample videos and an image file to work with. Details appear for each file, such as thumbnails, duration, and date. Experiment with the rest of the UI to get yourself familiar with it. You can drag panels and place them wherever suits you best, close them or reopen them from the icons below the main menu. Let's start with our first video. Drag a video to the timeline. By default, there is one track created. You can create more tracks by simple right mouse click and choosing Add Video Track or Add Soundtrack. You can do the same with shortcuts by pressing Ctrl+I and Ctrl+U respectively. Drag another video to the second track we just created. At the timeline, you will order your videos by tracks and then you can preview your work by hitting the play button. Create a soundtrack. We cannot see the track because the 3 tracks cannot fit in the timeline. You can drag the width of the timeline in order for all of our tracks to be visible. Dragging a video file to a soundtrack will use only its sound. Currently, we have selected source, meaning that by hitting the play button we will preview our work on the timeline. Changing this to project, we can preview our files of the playlist panel. You can mute and unmute the track, change the visibility, and even lock the track from editing. Right-clicking on the track, a menu appears. We can cut, copy-paste with the familiar shortcuts. Other options such remove or split at playhead. Playhead is this little white triangle. Navigate to more for additional options. Replace is very useful for images. The new image will retain the length and properties of the old one. Detach audio is also a helpful feature you might need from time to time as well. Another cool feature of Shotcut is its scopes. Notice when I click the play button, by default the peaks are enabled, as you can see here. You can choose from different scopes by navigating to the main menu, View, and then Scopes. Go ahead and choose some of them in order to explore them. Use the mouse wheel to navigate through the timeline, or alternatively use the left and right keys. Use the up and down keys to navigate through tracks. Colliding two video files in a track will automatically create fade transition. Right mouse click on the transition and choose Properties, and the options to change the settings for both video and audio transitions will appear. With Ctrl plus rolling the mouse wheel, you can zoom in and out. By dragging the upper corner you will automatically apply the fade in and fade out effect for any file in the track. Finally, let's start with the best features Shotcut can offer us, and this is the Filters option. You can bring up the Filters tab by selecting it from the View menu or by pressing Ctrl+6. Most of them are similar to other programs like Photoshop. For example, hue, brightness, and saturation, which is the most common tool. There are so many filters you can choose from for your video or sound files. Start with the Favorite tab. Adding text is one of them as well. Blending 2 tracks and many other filters. Go ahead and test through the different options. This will conclude our guide. Please do not forget to subscribe, share and hit the notification button.